Alright, dear students, we have this table. We have merged these two rows, row number 1 and row number 2, and then the range is from A1 to G7. We are going to enter a title to this table. We are going to enter some random numbers in it, and then we will write a formula here, equal sign, click on A3, then shift and then plus key in your keyboard. Then you will click on A4 plus A5. This is A5 because row number 5 and column number 8. Then enter, drag it, drag the formula to your right. You will see that 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 2 is 9. And then if you drag it all the way to the right until it reaches the last filled column, you will see that all the results will be accurate because it will follow the formula pattern. Over here, it is A3, A4, A5. It is B3, B4, B5. Look at the last one, G3. So this 7 is in G3, 8 is in G4, 9 is in G5. So G3 plus G4 plus G5. And the result is, of course, 9 plus 8 plus 7 is accurate. This is the advantage that you write the formula one time, and then when you go from right to left or left to right, it changes the uh, column letter automatically. When you go from top to bottom, the cell reference, if it is a relative cell reference, the row number will change automatically. That's because when you go from top to bottom, from for example, in a particular column, we are coming down, the column will remain same, but the row will change. We will just try to enter border to it. We will make it center alignment and give it some sort of color. Okay, and then increase the size of the numbers to, let's say, 16. All right, now let's check it out. 1, 1, 1. We will do something like this. I'm not going to copy 1, 1. I'm just going to enter it physically for you. All right, so you can see that because there are not too many numbers, and we will enter 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. You can see that as soon as we enter the number in this data over here, sorry, this area, this range from starting from A3 and to G5, as soon as we enter new data, the changes are reflected or the changes are shown in the last row of the table, which is the row number 6. If you want to see the formulas which have been copied from first to the last, these are the formulas. Let's bring it closer a little bit so that you can see all of them. So it's A3 and the column is B, column is C until G3, G4, G5. So starting with A3, A4, A5, the column is ending, the formulas are ending as G3, G4, G5. Make it normal, and I will just select all these to make it a little bit bigger. The width is now big enough to hold the title, and that's it. You can do addition vertically and go from left to right or right to left to copy the formula. That's it, folks. From this side of the addition formula, we will do the same thing as far as the horizontal addition is concerned. So we want to add these numbers which are written horizontally. So these are some numbers, are these are some numbers sequence or series B, some numbers series C. So these are just numbers I have written. You can call it anything. Basically, item 1, item 2, item 3, or numbers 1, numbers 2, number 3. So whatever you wish to call it, I've just given some name to the column. Again, the main title is operator plus operator and addition formula. I've written here total. because this is the total of the rows. Again, you will see that how it's coming through. This is A4, B4, C4. So A4 plus B4 plus C4. Why don't we just delete all these numbers, which are the result of the formula, make it a little bit bigger from here, just zoom it in and then make this one a little wider. And you will see that you have to write equal sign, then plus, then, and no, actually not plus. You have to write the equal sign, then click, and then plus, and then click, plus, and then click with your mouse on this cell, and then enter. Press the enter key like this. So you have done so. Now, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Drag it down from here with your left mouse button. You will see that 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 4 is 9, and 7 plus 8 plus 9 is 24. Let's call it 10, 10, and then 10. You will see that result will be automatically given as 30. So that's just about it as far as addition is concerned, addition operator is concerned. We can use it horizontally and we can use it vertically. Um, so this is horizontal addition of the numbers, and this is vertical addition of the numbers. Thank you very much.